Welcome to this video where we'll explore some amazing tips and tricks about artificial intelligence, or AI, and explain why it's becoming an essential part of our everyday lives. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic idea or something from science fiction movies. Today, AI is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes to make our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, AI has something to offer for everyone. Let's dive into some practical tips and tricks you can use with AI, and why adopting these tools can transform your daily routine. Tip 1. Use AI virtual assistants to save time. One of the easiest ways to benefit from AI is through virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Cortana. These assistants can help you manage your schedule, set reminders, send messages, or even control smart devices at home, all by using simple voice commands. For example, instead of manually typing your to-do list, just tell your assistant to remind me to call mom at 5 p.m., and you're done. This saves time and helps you stay organized without extra effort. Tip 2. Boost your creativity with AI tools. AI isn't just about automation. It can also help you become more creative. There are AI-powered apps that generate ideas, write content, design graphics, and even compose music. If you're a blogger or social media creator, tools like Jasper or WriteSonic can help you draft articles or captions faster. Graphic designers can use AI tools like Canva's AI features or DALL-E to create stunning images from simple prompts. These tools act as creative partners, sparking ideas and helping you produce high-quality work quickly. Tip 3. Automate routine tasks. Many everyday tasks are repetitive and time-consuming. AI can automate these processes, freeing you up for more important work. For instance, AI-powered email filters can automatically sort your inbox and highlight urgent messages. Tools like Zapier connect different apps and automate workflows. For example, saving email attachments directly to cloud storage or sending notifications when specific events happen. Automation reduces errors and keeps your daily routine smooth. Tip 4. Use AI for smarter decision-making. AI can analyze huge amounts of data quickly and provide insights that humans might miss. This capability is helpful not only for businesses but also for personal decisions. Imagine you want to plan a budget, choose the best investment, or even pick a healthier meal plan. AI-powered apps can process your preferences, habits, and data to offer personalized recommendations tailored just for you. This helps you make informed choices backed by data instead of guesswork.